In a land where the rhythm of the monsoon shapes life itself, a quiet paradox unfolds. India, home to 18% of the world's people, holds just 4% of its fresh water. Tenchingly. In 1951, each citizen had over 5,000 cubic meters of water. And by 2036, that figure may shrink to 800 in a home, a critical threshold of scarcity. For decades, we've drilled deeper, extracting the invisible reserves beneath our feet. India now draws more groundwater than the United States and China combined, through, at a devastating cost. The 2024 report warns of regions sinking, losing nearly a meter of water table every year. This is no distant warning. It's a present danger. India's struggle is not isolated gaunt. It's a reflection of the world's growing thirst. In China, vast pipelines channel water from the south to the parched north, a $40 billion engineering feat. 45 billion cubic meters flow each year, yet beneath Beijing, the ground sinks under its ambition. In Australia, water flows not just through rivers, but through markets. The Murray-Darling Basin, a billion-dollar water system balancing efficiency and sustainable use. Water management requires careful balance, ensuring supply meets both human and environmental needs. And in the deserts of the Middle East, technology became salvation. Desalination and recycling transformed scarcity into sufficiency. Every drop counted, every molecule reused. Israel now recycles 90% of its wastewater curvedi, a global record of resilience. Drip by drip, precision irrigation made the desert bloom, where scarcity once ruled. These stories prove a truth. Innovation can rewrite the limits of nature. And now, India stands at that turning point, Ijwal, ready to redefine its own water future. Our greatest natural reservoir, the Himalayas, store frozen lifelines for more than 1 billion people. The path forward begins by reimagining what we already possess, our land, our rivers, our sky. But the ICMOD report warns, these glaciers could lose up to 8% of their ice by 2100. The rivers they feed, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, risk weakening, threatening both food and energy security. And yet, our most powerful ally still arrives each year. The monsoon, 3 trillion cubic meters of rainfall, but less than 10% is captured and stored. Our mission: transform the flood-drought cycle into a rhythm of sustained abundance. This is our untapped potential, a strategic water reserve falling from the skies. Our mission: transform the flood-drought cycle into a rhythm of sustained abundance. The blueprint is clear: data-driven, decentralized, and deeply local. Agriculture consumes 80% of our water, yet less than 40% is used efficiently. Shifting from flood irrigation to micro-irrigation can save 60% of water and boost yields by half. Our cities, too, are adapting. Chennai's Day Zero sparked a revolution. Industries are closing the loop. Zero liquid discharge systems, reclaiming 90% of wastewater. And in Rajasthan, communities revived ancient johads, lifting groundwater by 5 meters. Each success proves the solution isn't distant, it's already here. Water is not just a resource inured. It is our security, our Rashtriya Suraksha. Every drop strengthens our sovereignty. Every decision safeguards our future. By valuing water as we value defense, we fortify the nation from within. This is how India transforms crisis into leadership, Onkon, turning scarcity into sufficiency. Our innovations, from data analytics to community action, can guide the world. From every village pond to every megacity powerful, India's revival begins with a single drop. Every drop counts. Every action matters. A single step can ripple into a cleaner, brighter world.